people can see it in the song, in come back with the counteractions them. What una look for, the look Sparta fans them look for.
Yeah.
You see me? And him come with some good line.
Okay.
You see me?
Yeah.
But before me move forward, what you think?
We make Massacre look like Mosquito in our first place. See? First and foremost, Tommy Lee, I don't know, crebe artist. That's a number one. I don't know if you remember when Bounty Killer did style Tommy Lee. And Tommy Lee go for Bounty Killer head. Goat head. You remember that? You remember?
Yes, I remember that.
Alright. You know why he go for Bounty? Because Bounty style him. And he go directly for Bounty. He no go round, he no go for nobody way in a alliance. He go straight for Bounty. You see me?
So your point is?
So my point is, Mosquito, I say a Kartel in one war. Why you not just go straight to Kartel?
Massacre tell you that?
1 second, no, man.
Massacre not tell nobody that,
let me talk now, bro.
No, bro.
Bro, let me talk now. You did have Michelle, you know. Let me have her now, no?